trapping the feds, they in front of me. For the money, the fame, and the luxury. Mama always told me they would come for me. Got no father figure, ain't no son to me. On the day to day, I'm living comfortably. Niggas' feelings hurt, they wanna come for me. But you best believe I got my gun on me. Couple niggas eating and it's cuz of me. Lost my nigga right there on that old block. Me and Killer posted on that stove top. Keep that burner on me cause the road hot. Chipping all these O's to these robots. You can't even blame us cause we know not. We in search of all the things we don't got. Riding dirty, riding till my soul stop. Everywhere I turn another roadblock. Trapping, that's my day job. Federati's on my radar. These niggas want me in the graveyard. I can live my life behind these jail bars. I'ma ride for my nigga, that's just what I came for. I can die for them bitches, lie for them bitches that ain't had a game go. Paint a perfect picture, call me Van Gogh. Diamond dancing on them like a rainbow. Got a bankroll and my chain glow. But still I'm no better than Django. I'm the Mando with this damn flow. And probably as far as these grams though, I'm not one you think you can handle. I don't think that you understand though. You say I'm living better. You can say I'm living better now. I told them we would be much better. We could all just work together now. You can say I'm living better now. You can say I'm living better now. I told them we would be much better if we could all just work together now. Yeah, I told my nigga let's go get him. Oh yeah, because it's time to get this cheddar now. I told my bitch I'm tryna settle, because I'm through with all the messing around. Yeah, I thank the Lord and count my blessings. Oh yeah, it's like the devil out to get me now. I love my life, I won't regret it. That's why I got me my Beretta now. Yeah, you can say I'm living better. You can say I'm living better now. I told them we would be much better. We could all just work together now. You can say I'm living better now. You can say I'm living better now. I told them we would be much better if we could all just work together now. Yeah, I told my nigga let's go get him.